Here I have Motorola Moto G34, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly you should hold down power key to access power off menu, or just go to the upper bar and hit this power button here. Then you should hold down your finger on power off option. Then it suggests you to reboot to safe mode. You just tap OK and device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. So when you're done using safe mode, like as you can see in the safe mode, most of unsafe apps are blocked. So now you at least know which apps are unsafe potentially. When you're done using safe mode, to quit it, just restart your device and it will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.